Moving on to the penultimate question of logical reasoning drill set number 7, number 11, we can find our highlight tool once again selected as we engage here at lawhub.lsac.org, and we're going to read the question stem first to identify what we're being asked to do for this problem. Number 11 reads, which one of the following, if true, most helps to resolve the apparent discrepancy in the information above? So if we're trying to resolve a discrepancy, we're basically trying to strengthen the unexpected or surprising outcome. We still want to treat this to a degree such as an argument task. So we just need to find information that helps to strengthen the relationship, even though it seems kind of counterintuitive. So we'll read the paragraph on the left-hand side, and we're going to highlight whatever chronologically is the surprising outcome that would seem somewhat counterintuitive. The growth of the railroad system in Mundovia meant that many long trips previously taken by horse or horse-drawn carriage were instead taken by train. In the first several decades of the system's growth, however, horse traffic in and out of city centers did not decrease. So we're going to highlight this second sentence as our de facto conclusion. And we need to find information to explain or resolve the idea that we had new, longer trips that were going to be accomplished by railroad, but for the first several decades after we had the railroad system, you still have a lot of horse traffic in and out of the city centers. So we need to be focused on these specific variables as we consider our answer choices. Starting with A, which reads, railroad terminals were usually located at a substantial distance from city centers. Oh, well, I imagine we might have to take a horse to do that. If you find something that matches your mental prediction pretty immediately, be proactive and select it, especially if you're aiming for a 165 or higher on the exam. And that could allow us to go a little bit more briskly, and you might go exceedingly quick looking through the other answer choices. Of course, for the purposes of this video, we will go through them very deliberately and identify specific reasons to eliminate and highlight them as we go, but you might move more quickly at this point if you're like, A kind of matches what we expect and are aiming for that top quartile or decile score. Then choice B, many people accustomed to traveling by horse did not like traveling on trains. Okay, they didn't like it, but did they have to? I don't know. This needs additional information. We should be able to eliminate B as introducing some sort of preferential idea that is not articulated at all and does not explain why the horse traffic stays the same for those decades. Then choice C, horses frightened by trains sometimes cause serious accidents in large cities. Wonderful. Incredibly vague. I don't know how that's going to keep the horse traffic at the same level. Few reasons to eliminate. Then choice D, initially travel by train was more expensive than travel by horse. Okay, this seems somewhat relevant, but initially, how long? Is that several decades? And more expensive, how much more expensive? That requires some additional information as well. D is just too ambiguous in a couple of ways, certainly not as good as choice A. And then choice E, many long train trips were taken that would not have been attempted by horse. Okay, so this makes it seem like the train's better. So why are people still riding the horse? This is kind of a task reversal that actually exacerbates the discrepancy in the statements. So, of course, our correct answer is A. On the exam, you probably would have chosen it a little while ago.